So darling, don't stand by me.
Hey guys, it's me, Vimai, and today I'm starting my new YouTube channel, Vimai's Vlogs. So in this video, I'm going to be doing slime. So what you're going to be needing is something to mix with and mix in, glue, activator. I'm going to be using some Tide. Food coloring's optional and glitter is optional, but I'm just going to make regular, and foam beads are optional if you want to make foam. And shaving cream is also optional. So let's go. So first, you're going to be starting with putting as much glue as you want in your bowl. I have my glue. Next, you will add your shaving cream if you want, but I'm not. Your food coloring or glitter, but I'm not doing that. So let's move on to the next step. The next step is your activator. Pour it in slowly. Mix until it clumps up and you like the consistency. It's coming together. Time to go in with my hands and knead it all together. I'm going to be staying on it so you guys can see how the consistency changes. It might be sticky at first, but don't add any more Tide if it's kind of like this, because it will get better. See? And mine's kind of blue because of the Tide. It gave it a little bit of a tint. Really good. Oh, that's amazing. It's a little bit sticky, but after you knead it and it's still sticky, you can add a little bit of Tide. Knead it in. Make sure after you make your slime, always wash your hands, because let's say after that you're gonna have dinner and you eat, all the chemicals and stuff from your hands will be in your mouth and you could get sick, because Tide is toxic and you never want to eat borax. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of ASMR. So let's go. So that's how you guys can make your own simple slime. So thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I want you guys to comment down below, what is your favorite type of slime? What's your favorite type? Butter, foam, crunchy, regular, fluffy, iceberg. It doesn't really matter. Just comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.